Hey Team V, welcome back. This is our final session of football and we are so excited. Today I'm going to show you how to stay away from the person who's trying to get the ball. In this case, who's trying to get the flags. So we are going to do a game where you try to steal each other's flags and you try to do whatever you can to move away, all right? So here we go. Okay Team V, for this game, each of you needs a flag on either side, either in your pockets or tuck it into the sides of your pants. Make sure they're tucked in properly so they don't fall out. If it does fall out, it's fine. Just tuck it back in. It doesn't count as being pulled out. You don't need a ball. What's going to happen is Leo is going to be trying to pull out my flags or cloths.
So I don't need these.
At the same time, I'm going to be trying to pull out his. We have to stay on the grassy area.
It's kind of like a video game.
If someone pulls out your flag, so Leo pull out one of my flags. You just drop it on the ground now. Drop it on the ground. Nope. Now I only have one life left. If he gets my other one, Leo pull it out. He wins the game. Okay?
Let's do it.
There are no safe zones or anything, no timeouts, nothing like that. We have to stay on the grass.
Oh!
Okay, you start over there. I start over here. Let's go, Team B. We always like to end with a game. So get your flags on, or your dish towels in your pockets. You only need the dish towels in the pockets if you're on offense, which means you have the ball. All right?
Okay, Mom, ready?
Hold on.
Wait,
I'm on.
what?
I'm on. Leo's on defense.
Yeah.
Up to 10. 1. Touchdown!